Well, here we go. Next little bit's just come through the post from Ecoflow. They were out of stock of these, but managed to get one now from the lovely people in Barnsley. I'll put a link in the description, as they say, if I can find out how you do that, to the company. And what this does, as it says on here, is the remote control. Book of instructions. Something to do with Amazon, don't know, I've never used Amazon. A bit of Chinese. And here's the gadget. Basically it's like the front of the machine itself. It runs on batteries as well. Let's have a look. No batteries. Does it come with batteries? It comes with a sticky pad and some of those stupid green plugs that never fit and never work. I only ever use red ones, they're the only ones that work properly. Yeah, alright, that's to fix the bracket. Bit of gel and a bracket. So that's easy enough then. You obviously stick that on the wall wherever you fancy having it. And then this, oh see, just clicks in there, look. Just does that. Simple as that. That's easy enough. Right, the reason I've got this is because it's portable. And so we're using this on the van. Where there's a panel on the roof of the van here. And then we're also using it on the house where we've got 1,000 watts sitting on the roof. Let's get some batteries on there. Because it doesn't come with batteries. You could have stuck some batteries in Ecoflow. I mean, they're 100 quid. 3 batteries wouldn't have hurt you, would it? Right, let's have a look. AAA's, we've got some of them. Let's see. Very hard to do this with one hand, you know. Must get a tripod. One in there. Get it round the right way, I suppose. One in there. And then one in there. Shut that up. Like that. Right. Let's see what it does then. Or if it does anything. I'll guess this, I won't look at the instructions, we'll just see what it does. This is the same as the front of the unit. So let's hold that down a bit longer and see what happens. Is it going to do anything? Oh, the battery's in properly. Is it broken? I must have done something wrong. Let's have a look. I really don't want to have to get the instructions out, do I? Can't be that complicated. Well, that one's in the right way. That one's right. Yeah, that one's right. What's going on here then? See, this is live. Let's try it again. Absolutely nothing. Well, that's good, isn't it? How disappointing. I'm going to have to get the instructions out. I'll get the instructions out and come right back to you.